How to delete Snapchat account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To delete your Snapchat account, firstly tap open your Snapchat application in your device. Make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date and you are logged in. In your top left corner, you will see a bit emoji icon, press on it. Then head over and click on the setting icon. Right over here, scroll down until you see the option of Delete Account. Tap on the Delete Account button. This will redirect you to a new page that is account.snapchat.com. Then firstly, you need to enter your username or email address, or if you do not recall your username or email address, you can use your phone number instead. After you have entered any of your phone number, username, or the email address, it's time to enter your password. Right after you entered your password and click on the next button, it will verify you and your account will be deleted permanently. And under no circumstance you'll be able to recover it. So make sure you are well aware of it. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so